Welcome to your little story, where magical adventures begin. Get ready for fun, laughter, and exciting stories.
Lily loved exploring her backyard. One sunny afternoon, while chasing butterflies, she stumbled upon a hidden nook behind the old oak tree.
Curiosity piqued. She squeezed through the narrow opening.
The nook was a magical place, filled with tiny, glowing mushrooms that pulsed with soft light. A tiny, friendly gnome with a bright red cap peeked out from behind a giant puffball mushroom. "Hello," squeaked the gnome, his voice like tinkling bells. "Welcome to my mushroom house." His name was Pip, and he invited Lily to sit on a bed of moss. Pip told her stories of the whispering willows and the mischievous squirrels who played hide-and-seek amongst the branches. He showed her his collection of sparkling pebbles and tiny acorn cups filled with dew. Lily giggled at his silly jokes and listened intently to his fantastical tales as the sun began to set, casting long shadows across the backyard. Pip showed Lily a secret path that led back to her own garden. He gifted her a tiny, glowing mushroom as a souvenir. Lily promised to visit again soon. Back in her own world, Lily carefully placed the mushroom on her windowsill. It glowed softly, reminding her of her magical adventure and the tiny gnome who lived in a house made of mushrooms. That night, as she drifted off to sleep, she dreamed of whispering willows and mischievous squirrels, a secret smile playing on her lips.